your legs if you did it correctly. If you did it incorrectly, you will not be feeling much because you are not going low enough with the stance or holding it properly. After the first lunge technique, we will now do a corresponding exercise which is good for leg strength. We will get into Kibadachi stance. Make sure you are having the correct Kibadachi form. Your feet are 1 meter apart and your feet are pointing forwards. Your back is straight and your pelvis is tucked in. From here, we will do Kibadachi shuffles, as I call them. Kibadachi shuffles look like this. To begin, your right leg is very briefly coming here in the air, coming down again, and then you lift your left leg and barely just a little bit off the ground, so you're not taking a huge step, you're just slightly lifting it and moving. Once again, to the other side, the same thing. So this is very good for sparring and for having balance and strength on your feet while sparring, or just be doing combinations, and your fighting style will definitely improve. Let's do this for 2 minutes. Hajime! After 2 minutes, slowly bring yourself up again and exhale. This exercise is also a great exercise for leg strength, so make sure to perform this as much as you can. Now we will move on to our second lunge technique. In this lunge technique, we will be focusing on a Jodan Uke block and a Gyakaski punch. So the lunge technique looks like this. Hajime! Once again, make sure that your Zenkutsu Dachi stance is correct and that you're staying low and moving slowly across that way and then back this way. From the Zenkutsu Dachi stance, you are performing one Jodan Uke block and then a Gyakaski punch to the stomach. You are then moving forward and repeating it with the opposite hands. Jodan Uke block, Gyakaski punch. You repeat it one more time that way, and then you come back doing the same thing that way. We will do this for 5 minutes. Make sure to not stop between the 5 minutes, because it's very important that you continue so that you can see the good results of this exercise. Hajime! We will now